Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of my Sephora order. It is just here. If you do hear any noises, it's just my partner out in the lounge room. He's all excited, he got some new toys to play with today. So I have opened the envelope, but I haven't actually looked at the products. So I had ordered kind of like one of their favorites boxes, just to like see what it was all about. So I got the Gimme Some Lip limited edition and the Beach Sleep Repeat Color Collection by Tarte. And then my freebie was the Bite Beauty Lip Trio Mask. So here it is, all in its beautiful little packaging. I do have the prices of all the full-sized items, so I will be saying those out as I go along. Oh, it's double wrapped. Fancy. So I ordered this on, where is it? Saturday the 8th of December, and I was told it was going to come on the 14th of December, and it came today, so that's pretty good. So these are the little trial lip masks by Bite Beauty. So you get 3 in them. I didn't get the prices of those though, sorry. So they came in this cute little packaging, and you get 3 little flavors. So there's champagne, natural, and smashed. So that's pretty exciting. I always love little trial ones, something new to try before buying it. Now I'll do the Tarte one first because that's smallest. So this cost me $15. It's a Christmas edition. So it has it comes with the deluxe clay, the deluxe Amazonian clay 12-hour blush and the Amazonian clay smart mascara. These are both travel sizes. The full sizes are, so once I open it, ooh, that's cute. So the travel size mascara looks like this. The full size mascara is $29 off of Sephora's website. Ooh, I like the wand on it. That's the wand. A bit different to what I usually have. Now some people may be like, oh, but it's only travel size. I love travel size things because you got to think to yourself, I buy full size products, but I never use it all. When if you get a travel size one, you'll probably end up using it all. And this one is the First Class Deluxe Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. And for the full size one of that, it is $38. So I am pretty happy with that. Like, because I only use blush like a little bit. Like everyone uses blush just a little bit. And so to have these cute little travel size ones, it's perfect. And I paid $15 for the whole lot. So I wouldn't be complaining anyways. And it came in cute little like tissue paper that I'm probably going to end up giving to my best friend because she loves things like that. So I'll just pop those back in the box, in this little festive box. Now I was actually quite shocked about the Gimme Some Lip favorites box because it was actually really worth my money. So this is what it comes in. Cute little sampler box. It's got all of your little product information on the back, if I can lift it up, which I probably can't. Oh, there we go. Okay. And so it tells you all the products you get in a nice little list. So you do get 2 full-size products, there and there, and then the rest are travel size. It was valued at $38 and, well no, I paid $38 for it and it was valued at $91. So I was quite happy with my value because just 2 of the lipsticks, the full-sized items, value at $66. So that's a big win. Like, to me, that's like bargain shopping at its best. So this is how it comes, all cute and, ooh, dropping things, all cute and petite. So the first thing on top is the Tarte lip paint in rose. Nice little cute one. I think it is adorable. So for the full size one of the Tarte lip paint, it is $29, and this is just the travel size. cute little thing to go in your handbag. Nice doe foot applicator. And I love the color. I'm a very nude person. The next one is the travel size Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Sorry, I'm just reading off of my notepad here if you keep seeing me look over here. And for a full size one of these, it is $30. So travel size, obviously you can't really get travel size. I do know they do a travel size duo pack. But they don't have this color in that pack. So obviously the nice Kat Von D packaging, if it'll focus. And then a nice rosy pink color, once again with a nice doe foot applicator. Oh, I like the matte handle too. Take out all of these little noodles. Ooh. I love the black noodles though. Okay, and then we got the, I think it's pronounced Laurent lip sleeping mask. So for a full size one of these, you're looking at $26. And it's a nice little lip balm by the looks of it. And it actually smells really nice. It's got a very fruity scent. So I'm gathering you put it on in the night time. So these, now we are at the full size products, which I am most excited about. So I'm going to start with one of my favorite brands, is the Huda Beauty. So I got a full-sized Huda Beauty lip strobe, and the color is in Angelique. Gorgeous color. And so for a full-size one of these, it is $34. So that is almost the price of what I paid for the box. And a nice little applicator, and I will swatch that one for you because why not? Nice little shiny. My sister, who is also on this page as well, she got a Sephora's favorite box, and she got the Huda Beauty liquid matte in Gossip Girl, and it wasn't her color, so she gave me that, and that's what I'm wearing right now. And I love it. I think it is amazing. I'm gathering the lip strobe is like a lip gloss. Yeah, it's a lip gloss. So I'm hoping I'll get some use out of it because I'm not usually a huge fan on lip glosses, but we'll give it a go. You can't knock it until you try it. And last but not least, super excited. The second full-size item is a Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick valued at $32. And so you've got the nice packaging with the little A on top. And this is in the Kiss matte lipstick. And you've got the nice packaging, and it's just a nice nude. Once again, I love me some nudes. And I just think it is awesome. Like, all of this for $38, and two of them are full-size products valued at $66 altogether. So these two items just alone are $66, and so many people go, why did you spend $38 on a travel pack? Like, what's the point in that? Because you actually get a lot of value out of it. Because who here has ever used a full-size lip balm? I never have. So getting travel size stuff is perfect. Like this, I would probably never use a whole one of these because I don't use things all the time. I have a drawer full of lipsticks that in the next couple months I'm probably gonna have to go through and get rid of some because I've had them so long and I haven't been able to use them all. So getting the little matte lipsticks is perfect because I can just use these, and like if I go out to town, chuck them in my handbag. Awesome. And like, it's a way for you to try new products without paying for the full price item. And I love that about it. Like, who wants to spend $34 on something that they don't know if they're gonna like or not? I obviously don't. The thing I have once before brought the Tarte's lashes, Lights Camera lashes, but that did cost me a lot, but I knew I was gonna like it because I've used it before. And obviously everything's different for everyone, so who wants to listen to me like rant about something that's amazing and go, yeah, she says it's amazing, I'm gonna go get it, and then you get it and don't like it. So you're better off getting the travel size things, trying them first. And then if you really do like them, go ahead, spend the $34. Spend that money on something that you really like, because there's no point buying something you're not going to know if you like or not. So that's all for today's video. Hopefully in the future I will have another unboxing, so that is super exciting. But I really do suggest that you have a look on Sephora's website. They do Afterpay. On just like the Sephora favorites boxes. Great thing. You can get ones that come with blushes and stuff, and like of Christmas time and that, Tarte do these cute little packages that come with little travel size things. They're perfect. And for Christmas gifts, perfect. Like little, here you go, Merry Christmas. Like, who would not love it? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I ranted a lot, and if you enjoyed it, hit subscribe, like, comment, anything you want to comment. No nasty comments though. And I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.